Hey there, and welcome to this channel. Are you thinking about stepping into the world of trading but don't know where to begin? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down how to start trading in 2025 into simple, actionable steps that even a beginner can follow. Ready to unlock the path to financial freedom? Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear investment goals. Set clear investment goals. What do you want to achieve? Are you saving for a dream vacation, your child's education, or planning for retirement? Knowing your why will help keep you motivated and focused on your trading journey. Step 2. Determine how much you can afford to invest. Figure out how much you can afford to invest. Remember, only invest money that you won't need for daily expenses or emergencies. It's always better to start small and gradually increase your investment as you gain more confidence. Step 3. Determine your risk tolerance and investing style. Understanding your risk tolerance is key. Are you comfortable taking bigger risks for potentially higher returns? Or do you prefer a safer approach? Your investing style should match what you're comfortable with to ensure you sleep peacefully at night. Step 4. Choose an investment account. It's time to choose an investment account. Whether it's a brokerage account or a retirement account, pick one that aligns with your financial goals. Take your time to research and find what suits you best. Step 5. Fund your stock account. Once you've chosen your account, it's time to fund it. Transfer money into your account and prepare to start your trading journey. Stick to the budget you've set for yourself and avoid overcommitting. Step 6. Pick your stocks. Here comes the fun part, picking your stocks. Do your research, check the company's performance, and diversify your portfolio. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. A well-diversified portfolio can help manage risks. Step 7. Learn, monitor, review. The learning never stops. Keep educating yourself, monitor your investments regularly, and review your strategy to adapt to market changes. Trading is a journey, and staying informed is your best tool for success. Best investments and stocks for beginners. For beginners, consider starting with index funds, ETFs, or blue-chip stocks. These options are generally more stable and can provide a solid foundation as you learn the ropes of trading. Facts. Let's address some common questions. Can you start trading with a small amount? Absolutely. Many platforms let you start with just a few dollars. Is trading risky? It can be, which is why it's important to do your research and invest wisely. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to start trading in 2025. If you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. See you in the next video.